said is a human-centered design and repair program.
No,
In this program, we learn skills such as repair, design, enterprise, and leadership skills. We learn about the impact our waste consumption has and try to incorporate recycled materials into our designs. We're building the mobility scooters for the elderly people in the community so they can be more mobile and get around the community easier. We would see broken scooters that would normally end up in landfill and then fix them to suit the elderly's needs. What excites me about FixThat is how we get to look at the mobility scooters, check out underneath the repair, using all the tools to fix the scooter itself, and learning all the parts of the actual mobility scooter.